Good morning, friends. Our today's topic is financial freedom. Today is Independence Day. In 1947, August 15th, we got independence from Britishers. But still, we are not getting independence from finance. We are still fighting for money. Still thinking about how to make more money. Still, most of us are having financial debts. So, we are not yet get freedom from money. So, here there is a thing for money. We can say there's a theory for money. So, money is just like a cat. So, if we are trying to catch the cat, it will run away. We will chase it again and again, it will run away from us. So, what we need to do is that we need to give something which the cat likes, like chicken piece or fish or something like that type of stuff. Then what happens that this cat automatically follow us and it will come towards us. Same way, what we need to do is that we need to give something the cat needs, like we need to invest on ourselves, we need to put hard work, we need to put we need to study a lot, we need to upgrade ourselves, we need to acquire knowledge, we need to practice, we need to get experience, like that. So many things which is needful for attracting money. For example, if we want mangoes, what we need to think? We need to think about fertile land, we need to think about plants, we need to think about water, sunlight, soil, etc. Then the plant becomes tree and the tree will give us lots of mangoes. If you see any of the organizations, there will be mission and vision. Like that, if it is a pharmaceutical company, it may be like excellent quality medicines at affordable rate. If it is a healthcare industry like hospital, providing world class treatment at affordable rate, like that. We know the ultimate aim is earning profit and making money, but when we are concentrating on these quality services and quality products, then money will come as byproduct. Same way, for example, I will tell you one more thing. Mr. A wants to earn money. A wants to make so much money. He started a small dosha hut. So in this dosha hut, he is exclusively making doshas only, different types of doshas. So he learned about the cooking, he learned about the recipes from YouTube and different types of people, and he visited different parts of the country about to know the different type of doshas and recipes, and he started providing excellent quality tasty foods to customers. Then they started to eat and they referred so many friends and all, and now so many customers are coming and taking food from there. Automatically the money will come, the profit will be there, and the money will follow him. So what he has done, that he has invested on acquiring knowledge, he has invested on studying about the recipes, he has invested on improving his cooking skills and all, he has expanded his shop. So many things what the cat needs he has given. So this is what we need to do. So this is today's topic. So wish you all the best and see you next time with another topic. Thank you.